In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel QuickBooks Online paid subscription. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can confidently cancel your subscription without feeling rushed or confused. Before you start, make sure you're using a web browser and that you're signed in with the right access level, because only the primary or company administrator can cancel a subscription. First, go ahead and sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct company file if you manage more than one. Canceling affects only the specific company you're currently viewing, so it's important you're in the right place before moving on. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of your screen for the small gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on that gear icon to open up the settings options. This is where QuickBooks keeps most of your account controls, including your billing information and subscription details. From the settings menu, select Account and Settings. This will open a panel with several tabs along the left-hand side. Find and click on the tab labeled Billing and Subscription. Give the page a second to load, because this is where all of your plan details, charges, and renewal information live. If you're managing multiple services, make sure you're looking specifically at the QuickBooks section on this page. Now it's time to start the cancellation. In the QuickBooks section, look for a button or link that says Cancel Subscription, or sometimes Cancel Online. The wording can vary slightly, but it will always be clearly related to canceling your plan. Click that option to begin the cancellation process. After you click to cancel, QuickBooks will guide you through a few on-screen prompts. You may be asked for feedback about why you're canceling, such as price, features, or if you're simply no longer using the service. You can answer honestly here, or keep your responses brief if you prefer. Continue following the prompts until you reach the final confirmation screen. On that last screen, carefully review the details, especially any notes about when your access will end and what happens to your data after cancellation. When you're ready, confirm your cancellation. Once you do, you should see a message indicating that your subscription has been successfully canceled. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've canceled your QuickBooks Online paid subscription directly from your account settings, with everything handled securely and on your own schedule.